image here, and I want to get different shades of Betty Boop. So what I'm going to do is take the brightness and move the slider over, and then I can change like the color of her skin tone. And then I want to first, let me just tell you, there were these colors right here. This color is controlling her skin tone, not the orange one, it's that one. So just want to slide this over for the saturation. That I don't want it to go that way. You just put it to this direction. That way it still keeps some of the color, you know. And you can make it darker. Go back that way. But it kind of put a little bit of color into her tone. If you wanted it to be even darker, you may have to, I'm going to try this because I've never done this part before, to see if maybe we can download this image. I'm going to download it as a PNG, and I'm just going to bring it right back into Canva. Okay, tap on the image, go to adjust, go over to color edit. Okay. It doesn't look like it's going to pick up any of the colors. I'm just going to try brightness from here. See, that changes too much of. Okay, there are the colors. So now let's just go back to where we were with the brightness. And then see, it's giving her a little more brownness. Let's just see if we change this kind of add a little bit more saturation into it so it doesn't look too dull. It kind of give it a little bit of color. So there you have it. If you have any of these Betty Boop designs or ones that you want the complexion to be different, this is how you do it. And this is all within Canva. Okay, if you have questions, you can let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.